Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off announce notifications replied without confirmation on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings, and in the Settings page we scroll down and tap on Notifications. Next, in here, tap on Announce Notifications in the Series section. Then in here, make sure Announce Notifications is switched on. Then we go down and tap on Replied without confirmation. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now, so that when acting on a notification that supports replies, have Siri send replies without first reading back the message. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key to go back to the settings page or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.